What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Day here, back again with another video, and this is going to be episode 2 of my Uprofit 30k static drawdown account series, journey, whatever you want to call it. I appreciate y'all for tuning in as always, and let's go ahead and get right into the video. I finally posted my strategy video, so if you want to check that out before looking at this, y'all could, I'm gonna put up a link on the screen. Y'all can click the top right and check that out real quick. Basically this is gonna be the 930 candle right here, as you can see, where my cursor is hovering up and down. Basically doing my basic analysis with that, looking for the breakout on whichever side it goes to. And in today's video, this is actually going to be a very good example of my execution time when it comes to getting in the trade, making sure I'm getting in the trade right when the candle closes. So basically I have both of my tools, I have my buy stop and I have my sell stop. So coming from the strategy video, if you check that out, basically, you know, if price comes down here and breaks the candle when it closed, then I'm getting in a sell. If price comes up here and it breaks the candle when it closed, I'm getting in the buy, right? All right, so I fast forwarded again. It's basically like a minute until the candle closes, right? This is the most important thing that I wanted to talk about. So you see how price is very close to my original basically anticipation for the buy trade, right? So I don't want to have a buy stop already placed, right? You see how I have the position tool, but I don't have the actual order into the market. I don't want to have that placed until let's say maybe 10 seconds or it's maybe 5 seconds before the candle actually closes. And the reason being is because imagine if I had an order already placed right here and price already hit the order. Basically that would not be following my rules because the candle wouldn't be closing, you know what I'm saying? So right now, as you could currently see on the screen, I'm just kind of hovering, looking to see if the candle is going to close above this area, or if it's going to tap into this area, you know what I'm saying? So basically I placed my order right then and there. It's 5 seconds before the candle actually closed. Then I'm able to get into my order. I feel like this is the best example that I can give because price was very close to coming to my entry, but I didn't have the order placed already until I saw it kind of close, until I saw the time being maybe 5 seconds before it closed, you know what I'm saying? So that was a very good example of how I kind of get into my entries when it's very close to one of my anticipated orders, right? So right now, as you can see, I'm basically setting up my halfway point. Basically once the price gets to halfway of my TP, I cut my stop loss in half, turning this into a positive RR. And yeah, so this is basically the trade right here. I think this was the furthest it came into drawdown. It really didn't come any further than that, you know what I'm saying? So basically I'm just waiting for bullish momentum. As you can see right there, we're starting to get some bullish momentum. I'm starting to see it come back into my entry point. And yeah, this trade was actually pretty quick. As you can see, that jump right there, it was just jumps, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't really movement, it was mostly just jumps. It came, there we go, it came right to my halfway point. So now, as you can see on the screen, I'm moving my original stop loss, cutting it in half, and basically I'm turning it into a positive RR from a negative RR. And yeah, and then that's basically the trade. When I get a trade like this where I'm able to cut it in half, the stop loss, that's already a win in my book, because that's how I'm managing my losses correctly, you know what I'm saying? So if you look at my strategy video, you look at the data, the overall data, because I showed you 2.5 months worth of data. As you can actually see right here too, TP has been hit. This was, like I said, very quick trade, barely had any drawdown, only came to about right here, and then it just took off, you know what I'm saying? So as I was saying though earlier, if you look at the past data, my losses are very recoverable when it comes to turning this into a positive RR from a negative RR. And that consists of cutting my stop loss in half, as you should already know if you're new. Basically that's how I kind of maintain my losses with this specific system. And yeah, it gives a way better profitability, way better consistency when it comes to collecting that overall data, right? So today's trade was a W, very clean. And in my strategy video, I also said 9:45 and 10 o'clock are the two times that you kind of want to just be mindful for. I still trade during news, but you just want to pay attention to everything that's going on, because those are the times where you may have red folder news events and where price could get very volatile. I didn't really record it here, but there was 9:45 red folder news, and price did it shot up crazy. It shot up real crazy, then it came back down, then it shot back up again. So either way my TP would have been hit. But you always want to just be mindful if you are trading through news, or if you have a system that you're holding through news. So as you can see, my balance is at 470. Last week I wasn't able to take a trade on Friday because I overslept for my session, and gold ended up like taking a loss. I'm grateful that I wasn't able to like, you know, trade, because I would have took a loss and my account would have been at like $100, I think, like $77, $100, right? But I also still want to like be disciplined. I want to be more consistent when it comes to like me making sure that I'm up on time, making sure that I got everything in order so I can show up to the markets. Because if that was a winning day, then I would have missed out on that trade, you know what I'm saying? So it could go both ways. Thankfully it did take a loss, so you know what I'm saying, I didn't really have to like endure that in my account, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so basically that's why my account is at 470 instead of like 3 something, 2 something, you know what I'm saying, because I missed out on that trade. So yeah. All right, so looking at the dashboard, one thing that I love about Uprofit is the dashboard actually like updates like ASAP. You don't really have to wait for the end of the day to see like your results for your trades, you know what I'm saying? So as you can see right here, the time is right now 11, basically my time. So it's not the end of the day. I still have like time in the markets if I wanted to take another trade, which I'm not doing. So $470, my profit target is 2K. So we're gonna see if we're able to like, you know, get it on this static account. So one thing I want to talk about is this consistency right here. So as you can see right here, basically you have a 30% consistency rule, right? And when it comes to taking the challenge, you want to make sure that your trades aren't 30% of $2,000, which is going to be $600. So your highest winning trade or your highest winning day cannot be more than $600. So I'm gonna scroll down right here so you can see all the trades that I took on this account. One trade is $290, the other trade is $190. So basically neither one of those is over 600, so I'm good for the most part. But when it comes to my actual funded account, I need to make sure 30% is like met within my total profits. So basically right now I'm good for the challenge. Like I said, I don't have any trades like above $600, and it's probably gonna stay that way because I'm only risking one contract and I'm only going for like a few points, you know what I'm saying? Like mostly it'd be in between like 2 points to like 4 points for the most part. The highest points that I think I gained was like 500 something when it comes to like my system. So I'm good either way. Haven't really seen anything gone over 600, so I use the same like contract size. I should be good with all that. But yeah, that's pretty much all I really got for this video. If you like this video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, do what you got to do. You're all good with me. And yeah, we're gonna see if we can continue this momentum going into the week. And yeah, hope y'all trading day went good too, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Y'all stay blessed, y'all stay safe, and I appreciate y'all.